Hello everyone, let's start with the NASDAQ, SPX and Dow Jones, the weekly close, and we'll see what we are looking there and what it might happen next week. So basically we are in a 1, 2, 3. As you mentioned today, we're going to see the wave 4, and your wave 4 is an A, B, and a C expanding flat that it was supposed to be open here for another wave 5, but we didn't solve this wave 5. Very interesting. And that because, of course, internally it still can be even. It can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, even if you dive even much more on the 1-minute chart here. So that impulse there can still be something like a wave 1 here too. Yeah, I don't see even I don't see even a wave 5, but I see an extended wave 1, 2, wave 3, 4, and a 5 potentially here, smaller one, because your wave 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you have a wave 4 and a wave 5 finished there. So yeah, that is an explanation definitely, of course, internally on the micro level for this wave 4, that it might have finished exactly at the 0.38 and took the invalidation potentially in case no wave 5 there. It took, of course, the invalidation, meaning it's a signal that we continue the bullish trend here toward the upside, guys. Basically, wave 4 has played very fast, but that is very understandable. I mean, regarding the time here, it's still acceptable for wave 2, yes, so we can push directly towards higher prices. What I'm expecting on Monday is a continuation for a wave 5 to reach, of course, the target there, which is taken from the zone 1 based on the wave 3 here, to give us a 0.618 there for $28,865 at least. And then, of course, looking for something for lower again, because you need a wave 1, 2 there. So once we finish this push toward the upside, this is going to be your 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 here to continue the push for higher. Oh, it's already there. So 1, 2 here. We're looking for a wave 2 as well. Yeah, so this is regarding, NASDAQ. We're looking also still for higher prices. This correction has given us a signal that it might continue the push for higher, and we're not yet done. So also a little bit more insights here regarding the MACD signals that we got after this push toward the upside yesterday. Very massive wave 3 here, knowing that all of it was in red. Very impressive on the 15-minute chart here, that all this push toward the upside was in red, and it was playing higher prices at the end, meaning the bulls are very, very strong, guys. Very strong in NASDAQ. So expect, of course, continuation toward the upside here. Nothing happened. Still, of course, looking for higher prices. That's regarding, of course, NASDAQ here. Very strong signal from the 15-minute chart. On the SPX, we are looking also at already finished wave 4 and a 5. Very deep one, by the way. It took the 0.5, the deeper, of course, a correction here for a wave 4, 0.5, and pushing directly massively toward the upside here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. I mean, okay, guys. I mean, do you remember yesterday? What a day for the bullish. So, of course, it's going to go deeper. That's very, very understandable. Currently, we're looking for this wave 5. This wave 5 is going to unfold here. This, of course, wave 5 there. So we're going to put it in white. So it's going to unfold towards the potential 0.618 as well. Yeah, so I'm looking for this target over here. But be careful, because the structure is already looking like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, it's still possible. Still can be, guys. Yeah, so my major target anyway is taking the all-time high here for SPX. So I'm looking for a new high, and we'll see if this is gonna happen. There is no diagonal anymore. We're gonna remove that. So we are unfolding very likely a full impulse there as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, all of that is corrective, and very likely even A, B, C, D, and a E, and pushing for higher. But the problem here is that the wave D took the high. But yeah, I can still, I don't know what I'm gonna consider this, especially that you didn't took the low, barely touching it. So I think I'm tending to take this as a triangle here, despite that we took the high, which is not allowed normally, but there is no other explanation, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 there. Great. So that was it for S&P, and also let's take a look also on the MACD here. You can see the MACD has played the bearish momentum with a very small drop here. I mean, in comparison with the massive bullish momentum and the massive push toward the upside here, you're still looking for higher also on the 15-minute chart after this massive momentum here for bearish playing in green. It's very incredible how much, of course, strong it was during this push toward the upside. Very incredible. Yeah, the momentum was totally trying to be bearish here, meaning, of course, a lot of liquidation here. A lot of people got liquidated. Yeah, all those bears were killed yesterday. All right, with this push toward the upside. And as I mentioned, yeah, so the thing was obviously that the market was pumped by something big. Yeah, talking something big, meaning Wall Street, I don't know, whales, whatever you want, guys. But someone very big was pumping the market yesterday. Okay, so we're still looking for higher at the end. Of course, the market has changed direction, meaning we're pushing for higher. 7,500 is the next target. Yep, so that was it for SPX. Finally, Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones also shows some strengths again. So we're pushing for higher, very likely here to see something, of course, a new all-time high. Now, what I'm gonna consider that is a wave 1 AB and a C wave 2, and then pushing for higher again. Yeah, so I have no other choice here. This is the only explanation that you have for the massive drop that you saw yesterday, and then of course starting to pump again today. Yeah, so that's the problem. So we're gonna solve it in that way here, where you have a wave 1 and then A, B, and a C expanding flat wave 2, and wave 3, 4, and a 5. You're looking at this yeah, gray wave 3 to unfold there. Of course, the key levels are still requested here. They are still playing perfectly. Pre-confirmation plus confirmation are very required. We'll see how this is going to play. We are, of course, 40% here for the bearish and 60% for the bullish for Dow Jones, so 60%. For NASDAQ, the probabilities also are much more bullish again. So we're back here to, I would say, yeah, let's talk about 70%. Let's go back for it. And the same for SPX. The probabilities are, of course, much more higher. Currently, we are talking about 70%, 30% for the bearish. Those are the probabilities. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG Trading community.